Hey everyone, welcome to Innovative Future. The channel is designed to help you navigate college admissions, start your own business, and stay motivated to achieve success. If you are a student wondering how to get into dream college, an aspiring entrepreneur looking for the right startup advice, or someone who just needs that extra push to stay motivated, you are in the right place. On this channel, we will bring you expert insight, step-by-step guides, and inspired success stories to help you shape your future. So, if you are ready to take control of your journey, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an updates. Drop a comment below and let me know what's your biggest goal right now. Let's build an innovative future together. Thank you.